Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to transfer money from Chase to Sofi. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the guide, the first thing to do is to log to your Chase account. So use the Chase mobile app or the website, which is chase.com. Then from there, you have to select transfer money or a similar option depends on your app version. Then from there, you have to add your Sofi account. So to do this, you have to choose add external bank account and enter the account, your Sofi account details, which include your routine number and your account number. Then from there, you have to, Chase may require a verification such as confirming a micro deposit sent to your Sofi account. Then once that is done, you have to initiate the transfer. So once your Sofi account is linked and verified, specify the amount you wish to transfer, then confirm the transfer details and submit the request. Then after that, you have to wait for the processing time, which is between 1 to 3 business days to complete the whole transaction process. And that's how you can simply transfer money from Chase to Sofi account. Find the video helpful, turn on the button and subscribe for more. Thank you.